First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.
Look at this. Look at this. I love this. 2021. It's February the 14th, 2021. So it's just to keep this a memory. Right, puppy? You got stuck. And Isaya's playing. Are you gonna build a snowman?
Mommy, I put it.
Yes. Oh god. I don't know. I have never seen this much snow in so many years. Nunca he visto tanta nieve como así por muchos años. You know, like, oh my god. Es algo bonito. Ahorita voy a también hacerme un cafecito y tomar un café. Entonces, sí está frío. ¿Ya te quieren meter? En wait until que no haga tanta aire.
You want to go inside? No.
I'm gonna make myself a coffee then, because I am cold. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. I'm gonna go inside it. It is cold, guys. This is not frío. Pero es por el aire. It's cold because of the air. It's not because of the snow. It's just the air that's getting us. Oh, it's burning my face and everything. Okay, I'm back. Whew. Hey, birthday girl. Oh my goodness. A ver, más bien. It's not right. Oh, look, guys, look how it is, and it's still snowing. Like a little bit, but still snowing. Está nevando todavía, y mira, ya se llenó todo. It's so full. Like, I'm so excited for tomorrow to go out and play. Yo quiero salir a jugar mañana. But it's gonna be like this until Thursday. Va a ser así hasta el jueves. 8 algo. Ya tengo hambre. Yo también. Got so full. Mira afuera, ma. ¿Cómo está?
¿Tú también?
Oh, ya se me relajó ahí. Oh, guys, movie night. Noche de movies.
Stay quietly with the baby.
Está, ya se sentó.
When she wakes up.
Are you just a treasure to be
He
so
said.
devoted to your little sister?
She wants to get out.
Truly, though, the little baby needs
Huh? Así no, mira. Okay, so this is the next day, February the 15th. This is how it looks. Oh, let me tell them. Oh my god, no. No, my feet. But my feet are cold. I don't want to go. So this is how hoy es febrero 15 y ya se ve. It's really cold. Oh. Oh no. Está bien frío. So we're gonna eat breakfast right now. Hot chocolate. Mi mamá hizo leche de chocolate. Vamos a almorzar. Y ya después vamos a ir para arriba otra vez. Porque es el único lugar que está calentito. It's actually warming me up. Oh my god. Why is he crying again? Look how bad it is. Oh god, it's a lot of snow. And I have to turn the truck on just in case. Let's see if this one turns on. Okay, I have to leave it on. Leaving you on for a little bit because you did struggle to turn it on. Okay. Look at this. I I love this though. The car was the only one that didn't turn on. El carro es el único que no se prendió. And you can hear it and everything, but look at this. No.
It's fine.
The end.
I'm picking up a boot. I'll get it. Come in.
Keep reading books. So I'm doing homework. Estoy haciendo tarea. It's 8:30 p.m. Son las 8:30. Yep, 8:30 apenas. I feel like we've been.
Longest day ever.
This is the longest day ever.
Okay, go sit down.
We're upstairs because we're trying to keep warm.
First minute.
So yeah,
Mickey's
my sister's just
Christmas
reading books with
Carol.
kids. Mi hermana está leyendo libros. The lights went off a little bit, just like 1 second. Luego sí se fue nomás un segundo, and that's it. Oh, es todo. So, you want more kisses?
Yeah.
You want more kisses?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want more kisses?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so today it's February the 16th? Yeah, the 16th is February, these days, and there's still snow, as you can see. Today hay nieve, y there's gonna be supposedly another snowstorm today. Va a haber otra tormenta de nieve hoy. Es lo que dicen. I haven't been working since I started. No he trabajado desde que comenzó esto, so yes, that's good. Not bad. I don't want to work, but I want to work. So I need to win money, but I got to still being safe, you know what I mean? So sí quiero trabajar, pero está bien. So I'm gonna start finishing my homework. I termino de hacer mi tarea y a comer. I'm gonna eat a bagel with egg, with avocado and coffee. Voy a comer café, tomar café, comer un bagel de aguacate con huevo. Y voy a terminar esto. Oh my god. Ya casi termino. How are you? So right now we are gonna watch some YouTube. I'm gonna watch YouTube with my sister. Ahorita vamos a ver YouTube con mi hermana. Ahorita voy a ver YouTube con mi hermana. Y eso es todo. And I'm gonna do some homework también. I'm gonna do homework, tarea, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, bye. Hello guys, today is February, I can say February the 17th. We still have snow. It snowed a little bit more yesterday. Right now, I believe there's someone cleaning, taking these, I guess, cleaning the sidewalk, trying to take off the snow from there. And yeah, hoy es febrero 17. Ahorita creo que había alguien que estaba quitando la nieve que está en esa para caminar. Y sí, en la noche sí nevó. Otra vez, at night it did snow a little bit more, so we do have a little bit more snow. So we've been lucky. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but mostly everybody in this area, especially in Farmers Branch, had power outages. And so yeah, mostly everybody from Farmers Branch and some of this area had a power outage, and we've been lucky. Hopefully it does not leave. It was about to leave, I guess, I don't know when was it, but it was about to leave, but it came back real quick. It just like turned off and then turned back on, so that's good. So estamos teniendo suerte de que no se nos está yendo la luz. So, porque casi toda esta área y de Farmers Branch no tienen luz, y pues nosotros nos tocó la suerte de que no se nos ha ido. Había una vez un ratito que sí se nos fue, pero regresó de volada como un segundo. So yeah, pero por ahorita I don't know. I'm talking with my friend or with somebody right now. He's saying that they don't have, he's at work and they don't have light. Ahora estoy hablando con alguien y me está diciendo que no, en su trabajo no tiene luz. I don't know. And I haven't been working Big Lots doesn't have light, so there's no point of going because the registers don't work. So las cajas de Big Lots no van a funcionar, so por eso no estamos trabajando porque no hay luz allá. So yeah, so casi toda la semana sin trabajar, almost like a whole week without working. But I mean, what else can you do? ¿Qué más podemos hacer nosotros? The only thing we don't have, lo único que sí no tenemos es agua. We don't have water. So barely yesterday, we only, at first we didn't have sink water, so that was okay because we had water in the shower and everything. But then yesterday it just left, it completely all left. So right now we're just using water bottles as like to wash our hands, to wash dishes. That's pretty much it. And then we're trying to clean ourselves with wipes, so because we can't take a bath, and we're trying to not waste a lot of water bottles. So right now the only thing we can do is just clean ourselves with wipes. So ahorita creo que alguien vino. I guess someone came. I have family around here right now because like I said, Farmers Branch, they live in Farmers Branch. They don't have light, and to keep warm they have to be here, you know. So we are having family members right now. So como estaba diciendo, lo único que no tenemos es agua. Ayer se nos fue todo el agua completamente. Sí tuvimos agua de los baños, nomás no teníamos la del zinc, pero se nos fue totalmente ayer. Lo único que estamos haciendo es usando botellas de agua para lavarnos las manos, para lavar los trastes, para hacer de comer que se necesita agua. So yeah, we're using water bottles as well for food, for the ones that need water, you know. So yeah, my boss is like messaging us. Nuestro jefe están como mandando un mensaje de grupo. We're doing like a group chat in our job. But yeah. So, no tenemos agua. So, es lo único que estamos usando. Y para limpiarnos, lo que estamos usando son, como enseñé, son los toallitas de bebé. Para limpiarnos el cuerpo. Y es casi todo. Yeah, that's mostly it. But we do have warm air. So, hopefully, God, I don't want it to leave. Ojalá que no se vaya. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Casi todo lo que estaba diciendo. Creo que sí, no se me faltó nada. Ahorita me voy a limpiar. Y yeah, so right now I'm just gonna change clothes and I guess clean myself with wipes. That's all I can do. Lo único que puedo hacer, me voy a cambiar de ropa, voy a limpiarme con los wipes, con las toallitas. Y vamos a comer, vamos a almorzar. We're gonna eat breakfast right now, and then from there I guess we're gonna maybe end up going outside a little bit and go play with the snow, you know, because I mean, who knows when we're gonna have this again, you know. So vamos a aprovechar el momento también de la nieve. So al ratito vamos a salir a la nieve y vamos a hacer un mono de nieve. We're planning to make a snowman, so we're gonna see you there, okay. Ahorita los vemos, okay. Bye. Ooh, she attacked you. She attacked you. What are you gonna do about it, Angel? What are you gonna do?
I got a big one.
Blocked.
Whoa, thanks.
Go. Wow, you did great.
Oh my God, bro. Buenos días, trying to protect su sobrino. Oh, he's up.
Zigzag. Open
Okay, yeah. Go to from the right side, yeah.
Okay.
By the way, guys, she's 25. She's old. She shouldn't be doing this. Just kidding.
So we go back inside. Ya nos metimos. I already drank some coffee. I ate bread, concha. Tomé café y me comí una concha. Yeah, está calentita. So I'm just gonna edit my video right now. These videos. And yeah, so we don't editar sus videos. Y eso es todo. So yeah, bye. Okay, ahí viene, ahí viene. Uy, uy, wait, let me give it a little bit more, less. Oh, be careful.
Oh, my puppy fall down. Mommy, Mina, I found a Minnie Mouse.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
¿Dónde estaba?
Hey.
Hello, Isidro. Hi, I cleaned his cage. I limpié su jaula. And he has the... Oh my god, that's so adorable. I love it. Para que se cueste. Me compré eso para que se cueste. I bought that so he can go inside. He's doing good. And this one wants to just bother him. Oh yeah, so we collected all the water. The ones that we got from our neighbor. We collected all that. And then we're letting that drip to keep it full. So yes, llenamos esta de agua. Voy a recoger aquí. Ya, llenamos ese cajón de agua porque una de las vecinas le regresó la agua y pues nos regaló agua. Solo llenamos esa para llenarla. Así, ya, sí entiendes. Oh my god, vamos a ver. And I see what kind of toys to throw away and what to keep. So voy a ver aquí qué tirar y qué guardar para Isaiah. So voy a ver qué es para tirar. I'm gonna see what to throw. So yeah.
Broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems.